Hey Shop Rats, welcome to Propped Up, the show that shows off your cool creations. I'm your host Adam Hayes, and I've been missing for a few weeks, but that's because I've had a ton of stuff to do for university, and it's just been a pain. I'm trying to get good grades, to do good for me, to do good for you, to do good for the future. So, enough about that though, let's jump right in. So, do you ever need to pump them kicks and lift them trips, maybe make it a little taller, maybe be a little taller? I mean, that's pretty much the best way to explain it. Well, Evil Ted has part 2 of his platform shoes for your cosplay out for you. Be sure to check it out.
Got my pieces, got bars. You can see the right there, bars in that. I got bars both this side, I barred all the way this edge. Back team right here. So we're ready to go. So what I do, my bottom edge.
So do you like stabbing? Do you like shooting? Do you like Final Fantasy VIII? Because guess what? Man-at-Arms Reforged made Final Fantasy VIII Squall's Gunblade. So if you want to see the incredible work they did on that, be sure to check out their video.
Here we have a 3D rendering. I got one on the top here that has all our dimensioning figured out. I'm going to go ahead and use the one on the bottom and trace our profile and prepare it for CNC cutting on the plasma.
Do you want your eyes to light up? Your face to move on your head? Maybe have your shoulder pivot around? Well, guess what? Honus67 is showing you how to do just that by teaching you how to do electronics. That's right, he has a little electronics assembly planning developing video series out for you guys. So if you want to learn how to do any of that, be sure to check out his videos.
What do I do to begin? You know, I just want to make this move. How do I do that? So the very first step is creating a system design.
Do you like Sean Bradley? Do you not know who Sean Bradley is? Would you like to find out who, or maybe hear an interview with him? Well, guess what? Right now on iTunes and Stitcher, you can check out The Prop Shop, our podcast where we interviewed Sean Bradley this week. Or wait till Saturday and wait for the video to come out on YouTube. And by video, I mean audio, because there's no video like usual because it's a podcast. So, until then, that's all we have for you guys. Keep on building, and we'll see you later.